Discover luxury living at Sri Sai Yatika in East Hyderabad. Location: Pirzadi Guda, East Hyderabad. Developer: Harihara Estates. Project: Sri Sai Yatika. Unit type: exclusively 3 BHK homes. Project size: 2.85 acres, 10 floors, 280 flats. Flat size: 1,635 to 2,435 square feet. Harihara Estates, a renowned name in Hyderabad's real estate sector, is set to redefine luxury living with its newest venture, Sri Sai Yatika. This exclusive gated community in the highly sought-after Pirzadi Guda area offers spacious 3 BHK homes designed to meet the needs of growing families. Located on 2.85 acres of land, the project will feature 280 flats spread across 10 floors, offering residents a premium and comfortable lifestyle. Sri Sai Yatika promises exceptional construction quality and thoughtfully designed residences. The flats ranging in size from 1,635 square feet to 2,435 square feet offer ample space for families seeking a comfortable living environment. The exclusively 3 BHK homes cater to various needs, from compact yet spacious apartments to larger, luxurious homes. This diverse range ensures that potential homeowners will find the perfect fit for their requirements. The project comes with a total of 280 flats, exclusively 3 BHKs on 2.85 acres of land. The project has received all necessary legal approvals, including TS RERA registration P02200007470, ensuring that all regulatory standards are met. Buyers also have the option to avail home loans from leading financial institutions such as Bajaj Finserv, Kotak, SBI and HDFC Bank. Prime location advantage. Sri Sai Yatika enjoys a strategic location in Pirzadi Guda, a rapidly developing residential hub in East Hyderabad. The area is well connected to the rest of the city with easy access to major roads, including the Warangal Highway, which is just 300 meters away. The Uppal metro station and multiple city bus stops ensures a hassle-free commute to all the corners of Hyderabad. Key amenities within a 30-minute radius include educational institutions, healthcare, recreational zones, well-connected public transport, and access to major roads, and Shamshabad Airport is just an hour's drive away. The project's proximity to major business hubs, including Infosys and the ORR exit, makes it an ideal choice for working professionals. Residents can enjoy seamless access to both their workplace and leisure destinations. A lucrative investment opportunity. The Uppal Pirzadi Guda region is witnessing significant growth in residential property demand, making Sri Sai Yatika a prime investment opportunity. With ongoing infrastructure development and a steady influx of premium residential options, East Hyderabad is fast becoming one of the most desirable locations for both home buyers and investors. Real estate experts predict a strong appreciation in property values due to improved connectivity and the continued growth of the area. Investing in a trusted project like Sri Sai Yatika mitigates risks, offering buyers peace of mind in a competitive market. Why Sri Sai Yatika is the right choice? Trusted developer, Harihara Estates, known for delivering high-quality residential projects. Exclusive 3 BHK homes, ideal for growing families seeking both space and luxury. Premium amenities, a range of world-class amenities to enhance your living experience. Prime location, proximity to business hubs, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and leisure spots. Strong investment potential. With increasing demand for properties in East Hyderabad, this project offers significant returns. For home buyers and investors alike, Sri Sai Yatika offers a safe and profitable opportunity in East Hyderabad's flourishing real estate market. Whether you're seeking your dream home or looking for a promising investment, this project delivers both.